How to use DeepSeek V3 for free. Let's get started. Yes, you can access and use DeepSeek V3 for free through several methods. First, online chat interface. DeepSeek offers a free web-based chat platform where you can interact with DeepSeek V3 without any registration. For that, navigate to this one website, deepseekv3.chat/chat. You will be directed to this page. Start using the modal directly in your browser. Here you're gonna find this section. In case you wanna use after logging in, what you have to do is upgrade to the subscription, or else you can navigate to this one browser, and from here you are able to use the V3 without any subscription. Likewise, next way is API access. For developers interested in integrating DeepSeek V3 into applications, what you can do is DeepSeek provides an API platform compatible with OpenAI's API format, allowing for seamless integration. Sign up on the DeepSeek platform to obtain your API key and access documentation. By utilizing these options, you can freely access and integrate DeepSeek V3 according to your needs. So that's a wrap for this video. If this guide helped you, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.